To the next part. This is Seasparkles Corner, and this is my son putting the hinges back up for the door.
Yep.
Now I painted that red because the door is going to be red, and that is like a signal that this door goes to the garage and will never be open, basically. The other one is pink and red because, well,
that's what you wanted.
Yep, that's why I wanted it. But it's all gonna, when it all gets put together, it'll be fine. It's just all these steps, things are kind of weird until it like all things together. I can see it in my future in the crystal bowl. That's a joke. What was wrong?
There, that's better.
We've still got one window to do, which I completely forgot about.
Well, it's not really had time to.
Well, we're making progress.
Yeah.
The door is done. The wallpaper can't go up till that window is done. Because I've got to paint and put tiles up. What's wrong, David? Did you get hurt yourself?
No, it's paint.
Oh.
Somewhere's not dry.
It's been drying for a long time.
We got our room got a lot of dampness.
Yeah.
Too. Screws.
They're for the door.
Now, does it have the top screw?
Are we going to put this knob on?
Thinking right now. I should.
There's the knob right there.
Yeah, I know, but what I'm thinking about is if I should get longer screws because of what happened to the top screw for that door.
Oh, well,
that's
that's up to you.
Yeah.
Do we have longer screws?
Well, yeah.
All right, well.
It'd only take me a second to go get it. So I know where they're at.
We're going to put this on
I know
stop
exactly
until
where they're at.
he comes back with the new screws.